You are welcome to today's tutorial. I am Emanje Adaviruku. In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to represent population data as proportional symbol in ArcGIS. So the population data I want to use is the population census of Federal Republic of Nigeria for year 2006. So let's go to ArcGIS. In ArcGIS, I've brought in the polygon of Nigeria states, and the population data I've converted it to point data. So if we open the attribute table of the population data, we can see for each of the states the total population is given for the whole 36 state and Federal Capital Territory. So now what we want to do is we want to represent each of the states with proportional symbol of the population. So to do that, let's label each of the states. Come to state and label. Click on label. So we have labeled each of the states. Now the population data, we want to represent it by a proportional symbol. So this is the population. Right click and go to properties. So under properties, come under symbology. So you come to quantities. Click on quantities. You see proportional symbol. Click on proportional symbol. Then the value, which is the field we want to use to represent the proportional symbol. In this case, it will be the population field. So click here and choose population. So now here you can change the color of the symbol. Here you can change it as deemed fit to you. So if you want it to be green, for example, change it to green and you click on OK. Then click on apply to see this results. So you can see the results here. So each of the state population, the symbol represent the proportional is proportional to the population of each of the states. Then you can equally label each of these symbol with the population data. So to do that, come to label, then click on label feature in this layer. Then let's use population data, and you choose the color for the label. Let's choose white, and you choose the size. Let's choose 10 and make it bold. Then click on OK. So you can see we have each state with proportional symbol that represent the population, and of course we have also labeled each of the states with the exact population data or figure. So this is how to represent population data with proportional symbol in ArcGIS. And of course you can also use bar chart or pie chart to do so. Thank you for watching this video.